Hi guys! Today, I will show you how to change app icons using your Android phone. Just keep on watching this video and let's get started. So open your Play Store, then download X Icon Changer, then install this app. So now, open X Icon Changer. So I'm going to change the icon Instagram. I will search for Instagram. So here, choose on gallery, or you can take a photo, or choose on your gallery. And you can also replace your app icon with an existing icon of any other app. So for this one, I will just go to library. Then I will click this note icon. You can also change the name. Just click this pen icon beside Instagram. Then change the name. Then click OK. So now, we will go to System Settings. Then click App Permissions. Then allow the camera. Go to Other Permissions. Then allow all of this. Now, let's go back. So now, let's check the new customized app. Let's open this one. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!